Hello and welcome back to French Made Fun. In today's lesson, we'll be learning the months in a year. Before we begin, make sure you have checked out my previous video, that is Days of the Week, which was the first part of our series on the French calendar. Coming back to months in a year, I'll be pronouncing each of these one by one, and what I'd like you to do is repeat them after me. Let's start with January, which is pronounced as Janvier, February, which is called Février, March, which is called Mars, April, Avril, May, May, June, Juin, July, Juillet. Note that the double L here is silent, so it's Juillet, August, Août, September, Septembre, October, Octobre, November, Novembre, and December, Décembre. Let's go over them once more. January, Janvier, February, Février, March, Mars, April, Avril, May, May, June, Juin, July, Juillet, August, Août, September, Septembre, October, Octobre, November, Novembre, and December, Décembre. Just like the days of the week, the months of the year also begin with lowercase alphabets in French unless they are at the beginning of a sentence. So a sentence such as Mon anniversaire est en septembre, which means my birthday is in September, would have S written in lowercase. By the way, yes, the word for birthday in French is anniversaire. It's a masculine noun, which is why it's preceded with mo and not ma, but more on that later. On the other hand, if a sentence begins with a month, for example, décembre est mon mois préféré, which means December is my favorite month. Here, décembre would begin with a capital D. There you go. This brings us to the end of our lesson on months in a year. Please keep repeating these to yourself over and over again until you remember them thoroughly. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can stay updated when the next video drops. Au revoir.
Smart Sound.